In our Family First segment, as more people get vaccinated, families are beginning to gather for the first time in a long time.
Yeah, and you might notice an older family member struggling with memory loss, but how do you talk to them about it? A doctor from Unity Hospital has some advice.
The pandemic has taken a huge toll on everyone.
Dr. David Gill says the older population, notably those most at risk for cognitive impairment, have been hit especially hard during this pandemic.
It's harder for them to interact with the medical system in general. We quickly had to switch to telemedicine. For our patients with cognitive impairment, it's very difficult for them to interact with telemedicine, use the equipment.
Gill says doctors are now trying to get those patients back to where they were before.
We saw a dramatic decline in people's cognition, an increase in depression and anxiety, an increase in caregiver stress because they couldn't access frequent visits.
If you notice signs of memory loss, it's important to talk about it immediately. Gill says be direct and suggest your loved one go to the doctor for a checkup.
There are times, though, where the person will refuse. And then we have to discuss, can they come to the appointment if they don't want to? Can the person who's trying to bring them to the visit use a white lie to tell them they should come?
Based on his experience, the visit usually pays off for everyone involved.
When they come, they almost always are appreciative that they've seen someone, and we can reassure them they're going to be cared for.
On Monday, we will talk to the doctor about why it's so important for early detection when it comes to dementia and what can be done to improve a person's memory. If you missed any of our Family First segments, you can find them at rochesterfirst.com.